Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our technical guide on fixing battery issues with the HP Elite X2. Today, we'll walk you through a detailed step-by-step process to identify and resolve common problems. Step 1. Gather your tools. Before diving into the repair, it's essential to have the right tools on hand. You'll need a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, an anti-static wrist strap to prevent damage to the components. Step 2. Prepare your workspace. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit space to work. Lay down a soft cloth to prevent scratches on your device. Remember, if you don't have the tools, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Step 3. Power down and open the device. Before starting any work, power down your HP Elite X2 completely. Disconnect it from any power source. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the back cover. There are typically 8 screws, keep them organized to avoid confusion later. Step 4. Inspect the battery. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery. Inspect it for any obvious signs of damage, such as swelling or corrosion. If the battery looks intact, gently disconnect the battery connector using the spudger. Step 5. Clean the internal components. Dust and debris can affect the performance of your device. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean the interior, especially around the battery compartment. Applying isopropyl alcohol with a microfiber cloth can also help remove stubborn grime. Step 6. Check battery voltage. Using a multimeter, check the voltage of the battery. A fully charged HP Elite X2 battery should show around 7.6 V. If your reading is significantly lower, it indicates the battery may need replacement. Step 7. Reassemble or replace. If the battery is faulty, consider replacing it with a compatible model. You can find batteries online or at local electronics stores. For those who prefer not to handle repairs themselves, remember that we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 8. Final checks. After replacing or reconnecting the battery, carefully reattach the back cover and secure it with the screws. Power on the device to see if the issue is resolved. If you're still experiencing problems, we recommend contacting us for a quote before repair. No calls, no travel, just a seamless service at your convenience. Conclusion. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and potentially resolve battery issues with your HP Elite X2. Whether you choose to DIY or seek professional help, we're here to assist you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.